My corn is cut out, and now I need a 6 by 18 inch piece of black construction paper. I'm going to need glue, and then you can use a white pencil, but I have a white kind of gel pen here that I'm going to use, and we are going to glue our corn onto our black paper. So first thing we need to do is open up our glue. So the blue of the glue bottle is right now touching the white. You might have an orange top, but mine is blue. It's touching the white, so I need to twist it open. So I'm moving the blue away from the white. I'm going to see if I can listen to it breathe. Hear it breathe. Once you can hear it breathe, then I'm going to do dot, dot, not a lot. So I'm going to do some dots of glue, baby dots of glue, dot, dot, not a lot. A lake is a mistake. So if you have a big puddle, it's a mistake. So dot, dot, not a lot. Now I want you to notice that when I put the dots on, I'm not putting them right at the edge. I'm putting them on the inside. So when I press down, when it goes on here, I have room for the glue to spread out so it doesn't leak. Notice I'm not adding glue to my black paper. I'm adding glue to the back of my corn. Now when you get up here, I'm going to add smaller dots. And then if you want to make sure that this gets tacked down, here we go. I'm going to pick this up very carefully. I'm going to flip it over, hold it with 2 hands, and I want to make sure that the whole piece of corn is on there. I don't want it to go up like this where it's going to go off my paper. I want to make sure all of the corn is on my paper. And I'm going to put it down and I'm going to press. Now if you use too much glue or you put glue to the edge, you might find some glue leaking out the sides. If you did this the right way, you won't have glue leaking out. Okay? Now you might see that this is lifting up. Watch how I fix that. I'm going to take a tiny bit of glue on my finger. I'm going to put a baby dot of glue on my finger. See that? Baby dot of glue. And then I'm just going to take glue and I'm just going to put a little bit, I'm going to rub a little bit of glue on the edge. So I'm spreading the glue on the tiny little ends. And then I'm going to come down and I'm going to press. And do you see how that sticks down to the black? Again, baby dot of glue, tiny little dot. I'm just going to spread that on the tip. So I'm creating kind of like a little film on the back. Just spreading it out. And one more. Baby dot of glue for these little guys right here. Just putting a tiny bit. Notice that there's no glue leaking out. I'm spreading it out. There's no glue. This one too. Oh, look at, I still have glue left. So I can do this one. And does that one even need doing? Nope, that one's tacked down. So if I don't have, I can do this right here. This one's a little bit up. Put a little bit of glue back there and push that down. Now when you're done, we are going to close the glue. So righty-tighty, making that orange cap or whatever color cap you have back down so it's touching the white again. That your glue is going to be put away. And then you can use a white colored pencil, or I have a gel pen, and you're going to write your name at the bottom right hand corner. And then this is going to go on the drying rack to dry. And you are done. Make sure your glue is put away, your gel pen is back up with me, and then you are finished.